In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit columns in HubSpot CRM, a task that can greatly enhance the way you manage your contacts and data. Whether you're looking to tailor your CRM to better suit your needs or simply clean up your data display, this walkthrough will guide you step by step through the process, ensuring clarity and organization in your work. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the HubSpot website. Once you're on the website homepage, the next step is to look for the Login button. This is generally found at the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on it will direct you to the login screen where you will enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. Once you've logged in successfully, you will land on the HubSpot homepage. From here, let's navigate to the CRM tool, which is the core of this tutorial. Look for the CRM icon, usually present in the navigation menu. Clicking on this will take you to the CRM dashboard where all the magic happens. Now direct your attention to the contact section. It's essential to select contacts because this is where you will find the ability to customize the columns according to the unique needs of your organization. Once you're in the contacts section, you should see an option labeled Edit Columns. This feature allows you to choose which columns appear in your contact table, making your data more relevant and organized. Clicking on Edit Columns will open a new window where you can start customizing. Here you can add new columns that are important to your workflow or remove those that aren't necessary. Consider what information you want to see at a glance and adjust the columns accordingly. You might also find it helpful to rearrange the columns. To do this, simply click and drag the columns into your desired order. Remember, the aim is to optimize your workflow and make information retrieval faster and more efficient. Once you're satisfied with the changes, look for a save option to make sure all your adjustments are kept. At this point, take a moment to review your new layout. Navigate back to your contacts list to see how these changes have taken effect. The beauty of this feature in HubSpot CRM is that it allows you to tailor data presentation to how you work best. If at any point you feel like making further adjustments, don't hesitate to revisit the Edit Columns option. And there you have it, a straightforward way to make your HubSpot CRM experience more productive by editing columns to meet your specific needs. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.